The P0038 code signifies a problem with the heated oxygen sensor heater control circuit high for bank 1 sensor 2. This sensor is positioned after the catalytic converter in the exhaust system. The heated oxygen sensor needs a heater to reach operating temperature quickly, typically 600 to 800 degrees Celsius. The code indicates the circuit voltage is too high in the heater control circuit. This impacts fuel efficiency and emissions control. The issue is common in gasoline OBD2 vehicles and even persists in some hybrid ICE platforms as of 2025. Bank 1 Sensor 2 is located downstream in the exhaust system after the catalytic converter. This position allows it to monitor oxygen levels in the treated exhaust gases. The sensor's heater circuit draws 10 to 15 amps at 12 volts to quickly heat the sensor to its optimal operating temperature of 600 to 800 degrees Celsius. This quick heating reduces the sensor's light-off time from 60 to 90 seconds to just 10 to 20 seconds, enabling faster and more precise analysis of exhaust gases. This is essential for proper emissions control and optimizing fuel efficiency. The most frequent cause of P0038, accounting for 60% of cases, is a faulty oxygen sensor itself. The sensor's heater circuit fails, preventing proper operation. Corroded or damaged wiring accounts for 20% of P0038 codes. The wiring harness develops high resistance, disrupting the heater circuit. A blown fuse or relay causes 10% of cases. This breaks the electrical connection needed for the heater. ECU malfunction is less common at 5 to 10%, but can occur when the engine control unit fails to regulate the heater circuit. Moisture ingress or chafed wires causing short circuits are prevalent in older, high-mileage vehicles. Begin diagnosis by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0038 code. Next, test the heater resistance using a multimeter. It should typically be between 2 and 10 ohms. Check the wiring for continuity to ensure no breaks in the circuit. Monitor live data for voltage drops that indicate circuit issues. Ohm's law, voltage equals current resistance, is crucial for identifying circuit anomalies. Begin the repair process by visually inspecting the wiring and connectors for any damage or corrosion. This is the first critical step to identify obvious electrical issues. Next, replace any blown fuses or faulty relays. These components protect and control the electrical circuit, and failures here can cause the high voltage condition. If the wiring is intact and the fuse is good, proceed to replace the oxygen sensor. This downstream sensor monitors exhaust oxygen levels, and its heater circuit is the source of the P0038 code. After making repairs, clear the diagnostic code and rescan the system to ensure the problem is resolved and no new codes appear. In modern vehicles, consider ECU firmware updates to address potential software glitches that might cause the heater control circuit issues. These updates can often resolve the problem without hardware replacement. To diagnose and repair the P0038 code, you'll need several essential tools. An OBD2 scanner reads and clears diagnostic codes from your vehicle's computer. A multimeter measures voltage and resistance in electrical circuits. Basic hand tools like wrenches and sockets allow you to remove and install the oxygen sensor. Wiring diagrams for your specific vehicle model help identify electrical connections. Finally, safety glasses and gloves protect you during the repair process. A 2023 Ford F-150 recall affected 200,000 trucks with P0038 codes caused by heater circuit shorts in humid climates. The fix involved replacing the wiring harness to prevent moisture ingress and electrical faults. In a 2018 Toyota Camry with 120,000 miles, P0038 appeared after a battery replacement. Diagnosis revealed a blown fuse in the heater circuit, a simple and inexpensive fix costing just $50. A 2025 Chevrolet Cruze Technical Service Bulletin linked P0038 to ECU software glitches in 150,000 units. Instead of hardware replacement, the issue was resolved with an over-the-air update that recalibrated the sensor circuit. The prevalence of P0038 is expected to decline as electric vehicles become more common. Advancements in sensor materials, such as platinum rhodium alloys and nanotech coatings, are extending sensor lifespans. AI and predictive maintenance tools are also emerging to anticipate and prevent P038 occurrences, potentially shifting repairs to OTA updates in the future.